If you don't like streaks but still want a spotless shine, then grab the SOFTSPUN Microfiber cloths. Let's talk about why these little cloths are a game changer. First off, they're super absorbent. We're talking ultra absorbent, like a sponge on steroids. Whether you're dealing with water, oil or dust, these cloths soak it all up without breaking a sweat. And forget about lint and scratches. SOFTSPUN Microfiber cloths are designed to leave no trace behind, just a clean, polished surface every time. Your car's paint job? Safe. Your bike's dashboard? Spotless. These cloths are versatile too. Clean your car's interior, polish the exterior, dust your bike seat, or even tackle household chores. One cloth, endless possibilities. Size matters, and we've got you covered. The 40 by 40 centimeters size is perfect for those detailed jobs, and they come in packs of 4, so you'll always have a clean cloth ready to go. Quality? We've nailed it. Made from high-quality microfiber, these cloths are durable, reusable, and designed to last. Rounded corners with continuous stitching mean no more unraveling stitches. Just remember to wash them before use and avoid mixing with other fabrics. Since 2015, SOFTSPUN has been revolutionizing cleaning with premium microfiber products that are trusted by car enthusiasts everywhere. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Upgrade your cleaning routine with SOFTSPUN microfiber cloths today. Clean smarter, not harder. Check out the link below to get yours now. Happy cleaning.